We've never done anything like this before, and as of 2026, Hutchinson are going to open their doors in the form of lean tours to try and help other companies along their journey in scaling. Hi, I'm Mark Hutchinson and I am CEO at Hutchinson. We're a second generation family business based just outside Kilrea in Northern Ireland. So the whole tour is about sharing our knowledge and our experience in growing our company from £500,000 turnover whenever I began to now just over 20 million. And it's about helping others along their journey and helping them to scale. So we feel that Hutchinson have a unique experience to offer people who would come on our lean tours. We deal with our people in a very different way to many companies. We're a people-centric organisation. We also have integrated automation and robotics with people, which is quite unique, and we also have introduced innovation in terms of our traceability of our product around our factory, and we find that people who embrace the tour and come along will find how we have dealt with that and how that has helped to scale our business ultimately. We use the phrase, why reinvent the wheel? Other people have been through most of the issues and problems that you will come up against in your business, and we really feel that by sharing some of our knowledge and expertise that we can help businesses along their journey. For me, initially, the lean tours will mean that we are bringing people to our factory, sharing our knowledge and experience. Whenever they come through our doors, they will see real people with real life problems and how we've overcome those problems by asking our people for their suggestions and feedback. So our experience is in manufacturing, so initially we'd like to reach out to manufacturing companies and would like to scale their company and who can potentially gain from our experience and what we have done in many different areas of our business.